Today we will use the stencils that we made in the previous video. If you have not seen the previous video, please check the link in the description below. Stencil is a perfect tool to customize anything, a t-shirt, curtain, cushion or a bag. Today we will use stencils to print these two different bags made up of two different kind of fabrics. One is a thick and textured canvas tote bag, while the other one is a small pouch made up of soft organic cotton. Before we start the printing process, place a cardboard or few newspapers in between the layers of fabric to stop bleeding. There are two tips that I would love to share regarding the selection of your fabric. Tip number 1 is prefer a natural fiber fabric for printing as it holds the paint perfectly, and the tip number 2 is that you should use a pre-washed and ironed fabric for printing. Now fix your stencil on the printing surface according to your printing plan with the help of masking tape. Now take some fabric colors on the palette and mix it well. The most important tool in stencil printing is your brush and how to use it. Here I am using flathead hog bristle round stencil brushes. They are exclusively for stencil printing as their flat head and hard bristles helps the paint to penetrate into the fabric. For printing, load and offload most of the paint on a paper towel or on a palette, as key here is using very little paint. Now dab your brush in up-down motion or do swirling on your stencil for a perfect print. To get clear crisp lines, move your hand slowly. As you can see, I have used 3 different tints to bring variety with this stencil. Now we will repeat the same process for organic cotton pouch with the bird stencil. The whole process is same as we have done with the previous stencil, but here I am blending one dark and one light color for printing to get a nice shading effect. After printing, carefully remove stencil and let the fabric dry for 24 hours. Or you can look for exact drying time on the fabric paint bottle that you are using. While the paint is drying, let's wash our stencils. as these stencils are cut from wax coated moisture resist sheet, so you can easily dip them in lukewarm water, rub softly to remove paint and to wipe off extra water. Dab them with a paper towel and keep them for drying. Once they are completely dry, they are ready for reuse. When the paint is completely dry, cover your print with a soft cotton fabric and iron it from top for after treatment. Once you have done this, your bag is ready. I hope you will find this video helpful and interesting. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.